Hello everyone, welcome back to City Closers, and today we are back with a new video with the new property. This is the scale model of a 4 BHK villa, J plus 2 in structure, and this is located in Devanahalli location, which is inside a township by a reputed builder. And since we are capturing many properties towards North Bangalore, we found a very good property to capture, and this is a villa community. And over to my colleague to know more about this property. Let's understand which project is this.
Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel City Closers. So I hope everyone is doing good. Today we are in again North Bangalore, one of the famous zone in Bangalore which is getting improved and which is getting lots of the infrastructure and the IT tech parks are coming up in North Bangalore. That's the reason this is the one of the zone where most of the builders are coming up, irrespective of A category builders or B category builders. So yes, today we are standing in one of the project which is a 4 BHK villa property, and this is inside Brigade Orchards. I'm sure none of the home buyer is there in Bangalore who don't know this Brigade Orchards. This is one of the gated community in gated township, I can say. Inside the township, we have a property by name Merusri Antelopes. So you can see this is the plot. This is the plot area, and we have the other side, left side, we have the marketing office. So this is the marketing office, and yes, let me tell you that see, you can see this is the plot number 21, and yeah, this is very spacious plots. So the plot sizes over here is 35 by 40 and the other is 35 by 50. These are the plot sizes, and the super built up of your 4-bed villa will be 3428 and the other is 3800. Let me repeat, it's 3428 square feet and 3800 square feet. The project is spread across 9 acres of land parcel where they are coming up with only 108 villas, which is quite spacious with all sort of amenities. This is really gonna be a super luxurious project, and this is very close to the STRR main road. Nothing to talk about the location, because everyone knows that the projects which are coming up towards the STRR or Devanahalli side, those are really very good to choose as your dream home, right? So surrounding, you can see those all are Brigade Orchards. You can see the front also, there's a Brigade Orchards, one of the tower, and just beside that only we have this particular project by Merusri developers, and the project name is Antelopes. So now this particular builder is there in the market from 2014. They have completed almost some 6 to 7 projects, very specific in villa community kind of projects, and they have handed over many happy customers also. So let's get inside and see the scale model, which will give you a wow feel, where you will feel that how the project is gonna come up, where the amenities are coming up. Also, we have the 3D villa. Yes, the mock-up villa is not ready, because when the project was in pre-launch stage, customers have started booking. So I don't think so a project needed a mock-up villa where the sales are already hiked up and the people are showing interest. So let's show you the scale model. Please come inside. Yeah, so this is the scale model, and as you can see that here we have, this is 9 acres of land parcel. Okay, the road which you are seeing here, this is the main entrance. In the beginning we have clubhouse, which is 15,000 square feet, and whatever you're seeing surrounded the white trees or the white patches in the project, those will be the grass and the natural trees which we will be maintaining. So the 9 acres of land parcel, and we have here 118 villas. These are the pure independent villas, not like your row houses or villaments. So each villa is constructed on 35 by 40 or 35 by 50 square feet, the land parcel, I mean the individual plot size. And you have a dedicated swimming pool, you have dedicated butterfly park, kids play area for the elderly people to sit out. So this is the entire scale model you can see, which will give you the complete look how the project is going to come up. As I said, there is no model unit over here, because once when the project was in new launch stage, that time itself people have started showing their interest. And also, yeah, let me tell you, the pricing starts with 3.99, that's for 3428 square feet. And the bigger dimension, which is 3800 square feet, that will cost you 4.30 cr. So yeah, this is a very small video, and of course, to understand this particular project, I must say that you should visit the project. You can give us a call on the mentioned number on the screen. Any comment, please do that. We would love to answer you, as I always say this. And I hope you like the video, so please press a like button, share with your friends, and if you have not subscribed our channel, kindly do that, so that you should be the first one to receive our videos, right? Stay safe. Thank you so much.